noir plasma chrome bleed. Unlocking knowledge, inspiring innovation, empowering curious minds.
This website makes learning so easy. I found all my resources here.
Like what you share.
The human body has two main types of glands. Endocrine glands release hormones directly. Exocrine glands, like sweat glands, use ducts. Both are vital for our body's daily function.
Apocrine sweat glands are found deep in the skin. They exhibit a larger, coiled tubular structure. These glands empty into the hair follicles. They are primarily found in axillary regions.
The anterior lingual glands are located near the tip of the tongue. They are considered non-serous or mixed glands. They produce a mix of mucus and serous fluid. This secretion helps lubricate the oral cavity.
Brunner's glands are located in the submucosa of the duodenum. They exhibit a distinct compound tubular structure. These glands secrete an alkaline mucus. This protects the intestinal walls. Deep within the walls of our lungs lie the submucosal glands. These specialized structures are organized into acini and ducts. Their primary role is to produce and secrete. This maintains the protective barrier of the airways.
Did you know your ears have special guards? Deep in the ear canal, ceruminous glands are at work. They produce cerumen, commonly known as earwax. This sticky substance traps dust and protects your ears. Deep within the eye's structure lie the glands of Chiachio. These accessory lacrimal glands help produce tears. They secrete vital fluid to keep the cornea moist.
Located on the human tongue, Ebner's glands are essential. They are found near the circumvallate papillae, have an acinar structure. They secrete a pure serous product. This fluid washes the taste buds.
Embedded deep within the layers of our skin, eccrine glands feature a coiled tubular structure, producing sweat to regulate body temperature. This is vital for cooling. Deep within the esophagus lie special glands. These are racemose glands, meaning they are branched like a bunch of grapes. They produce mucus to keep the lining moist and lubricated.
The exocrine pancreas is located behind the stomach. It has a distinct tubulo-acinar structure, highly specialized for a serous product, secreting vital digestive enzymes. Deep within the stomach's gastric glands, gastric chief cells operate as specialized serous units. They secrete the inactive enzyme pepsinogen. Located near the tip of the coccyx lies a small vascular structure. It is known as the glomus coccygeum, also called Luschka's gland. Found in the digestive and respiratory tracts, goblet cells are simple unicellular glands. They secrete mucus to protect and lubricate internal surfaces.
Henle's glands are located in the eyelid's conjunctiva. They feature a distinct tubular structure. Krause's glands are mucus glands. They are located in the middle portion of the conjunctiva. They serve to celebrate and nourish the surface, contributing to the vital tear film. Deep within the surface of the intestinal mucous membrane, Leber tubular structure. They actively produce and release essentiative enzymes. This vital secretion aids in nutrient breakdown.
Located within the spongy portion of the urethra, the glands of Littre, or Morgagni's glands, present a dynamic racemose structure. They secrete protective mucus to line the channel.
Located deep within the abdomen, near the back, lie the lumbar glands, vital to our immune system. They filter lymph fluid from the lower limbs. Today, let's analyze the mammary gland. Located in the breast, its main product is milk. It has a compound tubulo-acinar structure. This means it has branching ducts and sac-like alveoli.
Inside your eyelids, tiny glands play a massive role. These are the meibomian glands, a special type of sebaceous gland. They secrete a vital oil that keeps your tears from evaporating. Located in our eyelids, Moll's glands are important structures. They produce sebum to protect our eyes. This keeps them healthy and moist.
The cervix contains specialized glands. They are located around the os uteri. They produce protective mucus. Located deep within the nose, the olfactory region features Bowman's glands. They secrete a layer of mucus to dissolve odors for our sense of smell.
Deep within the crypts of the small intestine, Paneth cells serve as guardians. They filled with serous granules, releasing lysozyme to fight microbes. In the neck, behind the thyroid, lie the tiny parathyroid glands, also known as Sandstrom's glands. They secrete parathyroid hormone, vital for calcium regulation. This hormone travels through the blood. Deep within the stomach's gastric pits, parietal cells develop dynamic canaliculi. They secrete vital hydrochloric acid, along with intrinsic factor. Meet the parotid gland, located right by your ear. It features a complex tubulo-alveolar structure, producing saliva to keep your mouth perfectly healthy. That's one amazing, essential organ.
Let's locate two body structures. Peyer's patches are in the ileum. They are special lymphatic glands. The pineal gland is in the brain. It produces melatonin for sleep.
The prostate is located just below the urinary bladder. It surrounds the urethra, performing vital functions. Structurally, it is a tubulo-alveolar gland. It features many branching ducts.
Located in the antrum of the stomach, pyloric glands exhibit a simple, branched tubular structure. They secrete vital protective mucus and gastrin directly into the blood. Located within the skin, sebaceous glands are vital. They feature a branch structure. These glands produce and secrete sebum. This oil travels up the hair follicle. It lubricates and protects the skin surface. The Skene's glands are located in the vulvar vestibule. They are found around the lower end of the urethra. They feature a tubulo-alveolar structure. They produce a clear, serous fluid.
Today we look at the sublingual gland, also known as Ravini's gland, found in the mouth. It has a tubulo-alveolar structure. It primarily produces thick mucus. This keeps our mouths lubricated.
The submandibular gland is located beneath the floor of the mouth. It has a complex tubulo-alveolar structure, producing a mixed secretion of both mucus and serous fluids. This creates vital saliva.
Deep within the skin's dermis lies the pseudoreparis gland, also known as Boerhaave's glands. These coiled structures produce sweat. The fluid travels up the duct to the surface pore, regulating your body temperature effectively. Sigmund's glands refer to the epitrochlear lymph nodes. They are located in the axilla and arm region. They form a crucial part of the immune system. We are exploring the floor of the mouth. Beneath the alveolo-lingual groove lies Suzanne's gland. This structure is composed of mucus acini. It secretes a thick, lubricating fluid.
The Bartholin's glands, also known as vulvovaginal glands, are located on either side of the vaginal opening. They secrete a fluid that helps maintain lubrication.
Deep in the nasopharynx, a new pair of salivary glands was discovered. These are the tubarial glands, located over the torus tubarius. They supply essential saliva to lubricate and protect the area.
Within the uterus, uterine glands are vital. These tubular structures line the endometrium. They secrete histotroph, or uterine milk. This fluid nourishes the embryo.
Deep within the posterior tongue lie the Weber's glands. They are essential salivary glands. Their tubular structures produce a thick mucus. This keeps our dynamic oral environment protected. The glands of Zeiss are located on the free edges of the eyelids. They are classified as sebaceous glands, secreting an oily substance to protect the eyelashes. Within the human integumentary system, ceruminous glands are specialized apocrine glands located directly within the external ear canal. They secrete cerumen to protect the ear.
Within the human integumentary system, specialized glands arise. The mammary gland is a prime example of such a structure. It is an apocrine derivative located in the breast. Within the eyelid, Moll's glands are essential. They are apocrine glands at the eyelid margin. They derive from apocrine precursors to secrete lipids. These specialized glands maintain the health of our eyes.
The human integumentary system features specialized glands. Sudoriferous glands excrete sweat to regulate body temperature. Sebaceous glands produce sebum to lubricate the skin. Within the human integumentary system, the meibomian gland is a specialized gland. It is a precursor gland derived from sebaceous structures, and it is physically situated within the tarsal plate of the eyelid. Within the human eyelid, specialized glands play a vital role. The gland of Zeiss is a sebaceous gland. It is derived from epithelial cells. You can find it on the eyelid margin.
Within the integumentary system, specialized glands exist. Fordyce spots are sebaceous glands without hair follicles. They are located along the vermilion border of the lips.
No gland is designed to harm you. But specific glands cause rapid, fatal consequences if they experience total failure, acute hypersecretion, or malignancy. Adrenal glands, the most immediate threat. Crisis causes blood pressure to plummet, resulting in total vascular collapse. A thyroid storm sends the body into overdrive. Fevers soar as the heart begins to fail, risking heart failure and stroke. Nestled deep behind the stomach lies the pancreas. But in acute pancreatitis, it digests itself. Enzymes activate early, triggering tissue death, leading to organ failure and high mortality.
Ovarian cancer's silent killer. It is incredibly hard to detect. A ruptured cyst causes massive bleeding.
Undiagnosed prostate cancer threat. It metastasizes into the bone. This damages skeletal structures.
The endocrine system consists of glands. They secrete hormones directly into the bloodstream to regulate metabolism, growth, and reproduction. It also affects our mood. These glands are universal. The brain holds the hypothalamus, pituitary, and pineal glands. In the neck, the thyroid and parathyroid. Adrenals sit on the kidneys, and the pancreas aids digestion. Female gonads, or ovaries, dictate secondary sexual characteristics. They produce estrogen, progesterone to regulate the cycle. During pregnancy, the placenta acts as a temporary gland, sustaining the fetus.
The gonads are the prime reproductive glands. In females, the ovaries secrete estrogen and progesterone. In males, the testes produce testosterone. They are vital for reproduction and development. Exocrine glands secrete chemical substances through protective tubes or ducts onto an external or internal body surface, rather than directly into the bloodstream. These glands discharge secretions directly onto the skin. Sebaceous glands secrete oil to lubricate hair in armpits. Apocrine glands produce thus earwax to protect the eyes.
Digestive glands secrete fluids for digestion and protection. Salivary and Brunner's glands coat the tracts. The liver and pancreas add vital enzymes. Goblet cells secrete mucus to trap pathogens. They maintain a healthy digestive system.
Like what you shares.
This website makes learning so easy. I found all my resources here.
Noir plasma chrome bleed. Unlocking knowledge, inspiring innovation, empowering curious minds.